Yo, what's up boys, it's Where It's back a new video on rain.gg. I have 500 coins in the balance, which I round up again. Yesterday's video was a fucking madness. We pulled an iPad Power sticker, fucking crazy work. If you guys want to put me on rain, go to the top, go to deposit, type my code in here, DecadeCS. We get a 5% bonus, so if you keep 100 coins, you get an extra 5, and so on, so on. And also boys, you'll be entered in my leaderboard. It's bi-weekly. It's 500 coins, bi-weekly leaderboard. First place is easy to fuck right now. It's only like 2k wager first place. So any people want to get my code, I would really appreciate it. Also, there'll be a hidden promo code in this video, boys, so you can find it. Let's get into the battles. First of all, we'll start off with 3-way crazy mode. Let's see something nice here. I'm winning. I'm winning by like 110 cents or something. Okay, I mean it's like pretty ass. I'll run it back because it's like money back. And I pull. Ah, fuck it, happens. Route 3. We'll do 200 coin battle. Boom, 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 boom. Bosh. 2v2 actually. Fucking 2v2, come on. 200 coin bottle, 2v2. Let's see something nice here, please. Come on. Episode case not hitting either. Ninja. Brother. Okay. Fuck. It's the worst. It happens, boys, it happens. All in 200 coins for crazy mode. Show us nothing, please. Show us nothing, boys. Come on. There's one for him. Punk is swag is. That's 100 or 90, I mean. Okay, nothing there. Okay, good. Thank God I didn't fucking hit that. We all pulled the same item. GG. Show us low side of this. Okay, nice. Nice. It's actually very good. I'm winning now. Livix, please. Okay. Livix doesn't say anything. Please, Lazard. Okay, nice. I want 300. Yeah. 300. We take that. My case, Gumbo. No, fuck Gumbo. This. 291 coins. Basically 300 coins, boys. This big battle, so hopefully we come out on top. I want to see some rain spins on top side, not bottom side. Come on, boys. 5% rifler. It's very fucking risky. I wish that was going down. Double? Very nice. Come on, Zoid. Show us a fucking gold. Okay, it's 500, right? Yeah, 500. Holy shit, that's actually good. No. Fuck. Please don't be a fucking op. Speed Navajo, please. No, it's 1.7. Fuck. 1.4. Fuck. Okay, we got one at least. Show us a skeleton fade, please. Go down. No. No, fuck. My case, please save it, come on. Please save it, please save it, please save it. Oh, double my case. There's no way. No way, boys. There's no fucking way. No way, don't make this. And they pulled Karambit. And they pulled fucking Bayo. Oh! Pay 1.4k, boys. Fuck me, man. Fuck me. We're on 386, boys. Fucking hell, that's actually painful. That's actually painful. Lose as well. Fucking hell.
A few moments later.
Alrighty, boys. We're back. We need to win. Come on. Please, boys. Please win this. 3-way crazy mode. We'll do Fluffy and Beast. Come on, boys. Okay. Nice. We win, right? Yeah, we do. Come on, show us a fucking bayonet. Come on, please. Bayonet, bayonet, bayonet. Good shit, man. Let's fucking go. That's massive. 900. That's a 1k win. Let's fucking go, boys. Let's fucking go. That's how we fucking do it. Bayonet, off rip. Let's fucking go. We're 1.1k. We're back. We're actually back. We're actually back, boys. We're fucking back. That's amazing. That's what I want to see right there. We'll do one smack and one snatchers. I think I'm gonna call it after this battle because it's been a fucking pretty fucking good run. That for you crazy, they pay off, boys. They fucking pay off. If you guys are not ready, pop in my code. It's free as fuck. Win some free coins. Get the promo code in this video, and also join my Discord. I'm in there a lot. I do promo codes and stuff like that. We pull in snatchers. Let's fucking go. I drop a lot of free balls in my Discord as well, boys, and promo codes. So get in there. I mean, it's 500. Yeah, it's okay. We take that. I'll run it back. But yeah, also, boys, I'm live on Kick every day. It's just kick.com/decadecs. You can find me there and join the stream. Get some free giveaways. Also, whenever I hit 2.5k subs, I'm giving away my 8k Asimov factory new. It's pretty expensive, so make sure you're here whenever it happens. Oh, Crit Medusa! How much? Fucking 2k! Let's fucking go, boys. Let's fucking go. I don't think we can lose, right? I mean, we can lose, but let's just not lose. Bro, that's massive. That's juice. That's fucking juice, boys. That's fucking juice. I'm telling you, that's juice. I do that every day. We're on 2.3k, boys. We're on 2.3k. We just can't be stopped. We can't be stopped. We can't be stopped, boys. We can't be stopped. We'll do one last battle, and then we'll end it there. Also, boys, if you open my case on Rain, make sure you go to my Discord and post your big wins in the channel for it. It doesn't stay. Fuck. That's alright, boys. I'm probably going to call it there. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Drop a like, drop a comment. And in the next video, or the video after that, we're going to be doing the split or steal video, boys. So you guys could get in the video and win some money. So it's either split or steal. You either want to split with your homie or take it all off and so forth. Alright, boys. Catch you next video. It's your boy, being your boy, Decade CS. I'll see you guys later. Peace out, boys.